Yeah, man, peaches. We get the thing. Oh, what? We get the thing, then, man. Yeah, man, we get. Christmas in Jamaica. A time for receiving things, especially foreign things. Things from places like MoneyGram and from Western Union. And who can forget things from Dungawaff, because every Jamaican love a good barrel. So as we talk about barrel, these are the 5 things when no Jamaican don't want to see or never want to see in a them barrel. This are Christmas here and Christmas to come. Make a running night now. But hold on there. Before we go down in the list, this is a little disclaimer for all of you who watch. Do not come for me in the comment section. I am merely but a messenger. We never get no pull on a foreign. So please, take this with a grain of salt. As you do so, please. Now, thing number 1. And we're going to start with the smallest thing and work our way up to the greatest thing when nobody don't want to see. You see that something here? That green giant something here? No Jamaican don't want to see it's not them barrel. No Jamaicans would understand if it was like some mixed vegetable and them thing there. But me can guarantee you, you see that green giant something here? It's got turn in the cupboard till the next year. And the year after that too, because we don't know what to do with it. Plus, it don't taste good. So please, people who are packing on the barrels, as me say, we're not getting no put on. But as on a pack, when you go through Dollar Tree and Costco and the discounted store they want to use to buy at the sit them, please don't walk past Mr. Giant. What's on don't know, so we're not deal with Goliath, you know. So no leave Goliath on the shelf. Now, thing number... You know what, some? So thing number 2. You see that something here? A scam me call it, you know. Because you're supposed to know how scammer behave, you know. Them tell you all of the nice things to make you feel good. And then them just rob you. Them steal from you. Them take away your joy and them sit there and eat this. Because the first time you see this in one barrel, you know, me think I like one bully beef kind of vibes. This not have nothing in buzz. But the people them who like that something here. How you prepare this? What you put with it to make it taste nice? We feel like a white people food this. So we are begging you, leave this scammer where you see it. You hear? Do not put this into the barrel because Jamaicans does not like it. Thing number 3. One, take one expired. Why? Hold on, you're not going with it. Hold on. Thing number 3. Campbell's soup. And as I like to call it, insipid flavored water. With a white piece of chicken in there when I have no seasoning pan it to look like snow. Look like so them stay over one room and dash the seasoning pan the chicken over the next room. I feel like so that soup here have the sick people. You know sick people are not taste not but need like something to catch up on the stomach. I feel like I eat this. If one thing about Jamaicans, you know, we know how to make soup. Not true. Jamaicans don't like that Campbell's soup something here. Thing number 4. Now we're going to nitty gritty and now people. And that thing here is not just a thing, but it's things. Oh no, see that something I name Old Brook? Do not put it inside of the barrel. Jamaicans are people that full of pride. Very prideful. So you see if you put puppy in the barrel, especially when I no name brand sitting them a go bex. Them not gonna say it to you, you know. But we are go bex when we see it. As a matter of fact, some of those same items that you put in the barrel shall be on the road selling from before Christmas until New Year's or even after. With the barrel on the roadside with the name on it. Them shall not be worn. They shall be sold or given away. Some Jamaicans might take them, but the average Jamaican don't like them. And as I say, we don't give them nothing put down. So this is not disrespect to owner. We just are telling you what Jamaicans don't like and what them like. Alright? Next thing on the list, another one here. Take a cake. Thing number 5. Yeah.
Dinner ready?
Jesus, piece of food ready to hurry up. Want to see that thing here named Irish Spring? Let me tell you something about Irish Spring. There is a love-hate relationship between Jamaicans and Irish Spring. I feel like the only thing Jamaicans love about Irish Spring is the fact that it reminds them of when they had the liquor picnic. It reminds them when they used to get barrel when they grow up. Not more than that. Jamaicans eat this thing like a poison. But I feel like I have a theory as to why Irish Spring always end up in the barrel. Apart from the fact say it is traditional and it's probably cheaper than the Dove where everybody love. You know, like when you can pork and you preserve the pork, I feel like Irish Spring then if you preserve the barrel. It's like if an Irish Spring not in the barrel, something like a spoil. But I can tell you what Jamaicans say about it. Jamaicans eat the fact so when them bust open the barrel, the first thing them smell are the Irish Spring. Now if you smell the Irish Spring when you bust the barrel, that means that every single thing in the barrel including the things that when you eat taste like Irish Spring and smell like Irish Spring. Apart from that, Jamaicans hate the fact that Irish Spring smells so strong. So when you bathe with it, hours it upon your body and now I come off. So please to leave Mr. Irish in the spring where you no find him. So that's the list. The 5 things that Jamaicans don't want to see in the bar. But we just want to tell you that Jamaicans appreciate, we appreciate all the things on the send for it. Whether you put all them things in there or not, we appreciate what you have done for us because we know so you work hard and not easy. But as you watch this video, if you don't have anything else that you want to add to the list, please leave it in the comment section, things that you don't like. And also, if you watch this during Christmas, remember say some of the things when you get in the barrel, if you don't want them, even if you don't want them, there is somebody out there that is less fortunate that you can give something to. Because the reason for this season is for giving. Because Jesus did come to give we things. Yeah man, he come to give we life and life more abundantly. So we can name cake and drink cereal and enjoy ourselves. Have a good one.